Hello guys, my name is Justin and welcome back to a new video. Today I will be talking about 5 rare options that you could get on the E46. These options are picked out by me, which I think are rare and I personally haven't seen in a lot of E46s. So let's not waste any more time and get into the video. The first option would be the garage door opener. For me it looks strange because I'm not used to it, but if you have this option you will see this remote right above the front interior lights. Using it is relatively simple. With a simple coding you can just connect any button to your garage door and that is it. I personally haven't seen this option in many E46s I've encountered in my life. I guess it was more popular with the US market as the European market didn't really have a need for one of these. If you really want to retrofit one, I believe that some E46s came already pre-wired for this option, so if you can find one in a junkyard or you can buy one relatively cheap on eBay, then you can, I guess, easily retrofit them. The second option, which you don't see often, is power folding mirrors. Now, as far as I believe, all of the E46 M3s came with folding mirrors, but you could also get a power folding mirror function as an option in a non-M3 E46. Now, I've only seen a few E46s with power folding mirrors. I think it is not only a cool thing but also a good thing to have, especially if you're often parking in crowded parking lots. You wouldn't want to get your side mirrors broken off. Even though this option is quite rare, you can buy power folding mirrors online and just retrofit them. There are some tutorials online. I will leave a few of them in the description down below. This retrofit is not only relatively easy to do, but it isn't very expensive as well. Now, before I get to the third option, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you do, make sure to click the bell to receive all of the notifications so you don't miss a new upload. Now, the third option on this list would be this mobile phone adapter. Now, before buying my current E46, I didn't even know that this was a thing. I knew that you could get an inbuilt phone in the armrest, but never an adapter for a mobile phone. My personal one is for a Nokia 6310, but from my research I found out that a lot more popular phones from back in the day were supported. Even though there is no use for this adapter today, it is still very cool to have because of how rare and uncommon they are. The fourth option on this list, which I again personally have never seen in real life, is the cube interior trim. When I first saw it online, I thought that it is a very cool trim, but the E46s that I owned or that I saw out in public or I saw listings of online, I've never seen this trim in a E46, at least in the European market. As far as I understand, it came in silver and black, and I think you could get it in ABS plastic as well as aluminum. But I'm not 100% sure about this because it is a rare part and there is very little information that I could find about it. Maybe it was more popular in other markets. If I made any mistakes or if you know anything more about this trim, please let me and the others know in the comment section down below. Nonetheless, this is a very cool trim which I would love to own one day. And last but not least, another rare option on this list is the rear Sunblind. Now, from my research, I found out that you could get a manual one as well as an electric one. This option is very rare. I've only seen it once in my life, and I was actually very fortunate recently to find one online, so I bought it and I will be soon retrofitting it into my car. So a video of me doing that should come up later in the future. So I'm really happy to do it. I think the manual one is more rare because the few people that added this option obviously went for the electric version, which works with a push of a button. I don't really see the need for a manual one. Even though it doesn't really add any practicality to the car, I think it is a very cool thing to have, and I guarantee your friends will be asking questions about it as well. And that is going to be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more BMW related content. As always, thank you very much for watching and until next time.